for the purpose. Very good. Good job.
Now out of focus.
Let's go.
That's mic irukla appo edukku oraka solnu adukku thana mic vaangirukom. Anything that goes against Argentina I support.
Mare merde mare.
Okay, come inside, come here.
Hello guys. Yeah, finally we are in Castorama.
Our lawn, our garden grew very high that it's covering Loki, and Loki cannot walk in it, so we ordered the land mower from Castorama. We came to pick it up.
Okay, very informative. Thank you for reiterating us for the purpose. Very good. Good job.
Now out of focus.
Let's go. You are always out of focus. Out of focus ullade nanda.
Current obsession is this cheesecake.
Yeah.
So we are gonna pick up our land mower.
Yeah. Now how
Picking
big
up
it's gonna be?
It's only 10 kg. ഇങ്ങ ഇருந்து വരുവാൻ നിനച്ചാ ഇങ്ങ ഇருந்து വരുവാൻ നിനച്ചാ
അങ്ങേർന്ന് ഞാൻ വരാടാ ഞാൻ
വികാരി
ആർക്കും സംശയമൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ ഞങ്ങൾ നാച്ചുറലായിട്ട് വന്നാണ് പെയ്ഡ് പ്രൊമോഷൻ ഫോർ
paid ഇല്ല നമ്മ தான் pay
പെർഫോമൻസ്
we paid for it guys.
we paid for them and we do promotion, so it's paid promotion.
அப்புறம் லாஸ்ட் டைம் வெட்டும்போது சார் வந்து இதையும் சேர்த்து வெட்டிட்டாரு. நம்ம புதுசாக வாங்கி கொடுக்க வேண்டியதாக இருந்துச்சு. அப்போ இந்த வாட்டி அந்த மாதிரி எதுவுமே நடக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு வேண்டிக்கோங்க. ஏன்னா இதுக்கு வந்து 70s லாட்டி. எனக்கு தெரியல இது ஒரு ஃபன்னான விலாகாக இருக்குமா இல்லையான்னு. ஏன்னா நம்ம எப்போவுமே ஷாப்பிங்கோட விலாக் தானே போடுவோம். இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் நம்ம ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணுறோம்.
உறக்க പറയോ?
அதான் மைக் இருக்குல்ல, அப்புறம் எதுக்கு உறக்க சொல்லணும்? அதுக்கு தானே மைக் வாங்கியிருக்கோம்.
பொம்பளைக்கு அடக்க இருக்கணும், அகம்பாவம் இருக்கக்கூடாது, பொறுமை இருக்கணும், போக்கிரித்தனம் இருக்கக்கூடாது.
Okay guys, can you hear me? Testing.
So we don't know if this is going to be a very funny vlog, but definitely it's gonna be some
இவன் துப்பு வாங்குறது உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும்ல, அப்போ ஃபன்னாக தான் இருக்கும்.
Hello guys, നമ്മളിതാ ആരംഭിക്കാൻ പോവാണ്ട. That is cutting the lawn, which is this card which you are seeing. Now I will show you when I go out there. Here we are with the performance Pulivity. Let's unbox it first. Andari.
இங்கே வந்து உட்காருவா.
அங்க வந்து உட்காரு நானா.
Sit down.
Good girl. Oh, next roll number 2, Fiona Iglesias.
எப்படி தாண்டி போகுது பாரு ஃபியோனாவை.
Ta-da! 2 excited MFs. Please move. We have a book definitely for setting it up, but I don't like this setting it up, to be honest. It's her department. I will give that to her.
Guys, for those who don't know, let me introduce you to Fiona.
Fiona, the Spanish dog, is waiting for the biggest final against Argentina and the only Spain supporter in the house. Especially we all are Spain supporters, but not
I am.
the real Spain, but real Brazil Spain, and
I am just
real
supporting
France.
Spain because it's playing against Argentina. Anything that goes against Argentina, I support.
Why guys? If any Argentina fans are there, please tell me why you fans accumulated lot of hate. Usually in football, if you do something good, you should definitely have a lot of fans. Unfortunately, you guys ended up with a lot of hate. I know a kind of answer, so if you want to see that, go check out my channel, Draki King. Don't forget to follow there. Hey, why you changed this? Promoting my channel.
Say hi, Fiona.
Mare merde mare. I don't know where it came from. I just went outside, just checked around if there is any pambu. Then I came back, and then when I looked back, then suddenly it's raining. We wanted to do this today and show you tomorrow, but I think we can only do tomorrow. கண்ணு, this கருப்பு கண்ணு எல்லாம் நாள் தான்டா. மூஞ்சி 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 ஓகே 2 வாக்கு பேசுறதுக்கு இருக்காங்க. 2 words to subscribers. She want to eat the mic. Hey. Speak. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള റിക്വസ്റ്റ്, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള നിങ്ങളുടെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ആണ്. നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റത്തെ റൗണ്ട് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ആദ്യം മഴ മാറിയത് തന്നെ വലിയ കാര്യം. ഞങ്ങൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ മഴ വന്നേക്കാളും മുന്നേ സാധനങ്ങൾ സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ഇപ്പോൾ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ആരൊക്കെ അറിയണം അവിടെ?
ഓക്കെ. Okay guys, so it's kind of complete. ஆனால் ரொம்ப நாள் வளர விட்டா அப்படிதான் போல.
ஆமா, but we thought there will
Good
be.
job, babes.
Thank you. But the thing is, like, we thought the grass which we put in the first was gone completely, but there are
There
places.
is still grass. We just need to put water, I think.
Yeah, this much, like this size.
Yeah, it was actually very long. I underestimated it. And
So
that
we-
machine, that tiny ass machine, did a very
It's
good
very
job.
good, powerful machine. So if someone wanna get this one, so we have to do that final touch. But I think we will do this in the coming week. Yeah, we're going to watch.
Yeah,
Finally.
we're actually gonna watch it. We might vlog it. Not sure. Tell them how I supported you in this.
Whenever I was doing stuff, she was bringing drinks and everything. Yeah, she was applying a lot of sunscreen.
Made sure he
yeah.
had SPF so you don't get burned.
Because there is no point of 2 people working here because there is only one machine, and you might have seen only me moving, but there is definitely a bigger picture behind the camera, like now. So don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, and happy 80k.
80k. Yeah, നമ്മൾ 80k അടിച്ചു ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാമിൽ. Yes, I definitely want to say thank you to everyone who supported me throughout this journey. It was not so easy. Close ones, especially my friends over here, they definitely know. Ribin, Hanan, Kuttan, Ebin, and every time, like when I want to upload some video, even Ajax, I send to them before. Like when I feel like less confident, then I'll just send to them and they'll say like just post it, it's fine. Or if they want to correct me, they corrects me. And then when I'm like not posting any videos, they come to me and tell like why you are not posting videos. And it's a group work. Stay. Not okay? Stay. Good girl. Yeah, without them it wouldn't have happened, and especially viewers and my every single followers, every comments, every criticism, everything.
If his viewers are watching, I want you to know that he's seeing all your comments. He's seeing all your messages. He's seeing all the requests.
Yes.
Sometimes he doesn't want to answer. Sometimes he answers. Most of the time he actually answers.
I like to engage with everyone because they put their time and I value their time they're putting on my content. So once again, thank you so much. And we are an 80k family and we are running towards 100k, and this is my dream. And see, been behind, someone is pulling my focus, but it's okay. She always does because we both are Leos. We both need attention, so we are happy to share the screen. And now she is pooping
Oh my lord.
because she hasn't pooped here for maybe 8 months, so maybe she has to utilize her time. So please ignore. So thank you so much for watching. We did it.
Alright, bye guys.
ഇവളെ എപ്പോഴും വീഡിയോൻ്റെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ആണല്ലോ അപ്പ് ഇടുന്നത്.
ബിബി ദയവ് സെഞ്ച് അവളെ തൂക്ക്.
ഓക്കെ ഇവിടെ വാ പുള്ളിപ്പോ